Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrystreetcottage.net, here today with a great video using Mod Podge Ultra. So Mod Podge Ultra is the new spray formula from the makers of Mod Podge. So if you love to decoupage, you might want to try out the spray formula. So last week I made a variety of projects with the Mod Podge Ultra to put it to the test. And I have a blog post up on the blog all about the spray formula and how it works and my thoughts on it. But I thought I'd do a quick video as well. So, how to use the spray formula. That's what we need to talk about first. So first of all, you want to shake it up really well. So the gloss, shake it even longer than the matte. So the two formulas, matte and gloss, shake them up really well. Like we're talking 15 seconds of shaking it. And then you want to prime the pump. So you want to have an extra piece of paper just laying around. So I like to use wax paper and just spray it a few times to get it spraying good. And then you spray your project, put whatever you're going to put on it, and I have instructions for all of these, links in the description for this video for each project. Then when you're done using the Mod Podge Ultra, you're going to want to clean it well. So what I like to do is actually twist this top off, take this thing to the sink, the spray pump, and run water through the whole thing, because the Mod Podge Ultra can actually set up inside your spray pump and then you can get a clog, and you don't want that. So, project time. What kind of projects did I do with the Mod Podge Ultra? Again, you can find links for each of these in the description for this video. So I wanted to put it to the test of what kind of things could I use it on. So I used it on paper, because we all love our paper crafts. So I actually made these custom letterboard sayings, words, and I even made a few like individual elements for letterboards, all with paper in the Mod Podge Ultra. Then I went to glitter. So we all love our glitter. Would the Mod Podge Ultra be able to stick glitter on? And secret, yes it can. So it did wonderful on the paper, wonderful on the glitter. Then I thought outside the box a little bit. I actually did twine, and I wrapped these little pots with the twine. Now this glitter on this is actually the Glitterific from Plaid Crafts, so you want to check out the post for this because you'll love this Glitterific paint. But you can actually run twine through the Mod Podge Ultra and wrap it around a pot or just about anything. So this is like the easiest way I've found to twine wrap things. And so you'll be like obsessed with wrapping all the things with twine after you see this project, so be sure to check that out. And then, so twine, let's go to fabric. So I did a fabric wrapped pot. Again, it worked amazingly. Now, the Mod Podge Ultra is actually an indoor-outdoor formula. So I can use these pots outside and I don't have to worry about it getting wet. So that brings a thought. I didn't make any coasters, but you can make coasters with the Mod Podge Ultra, and all of a sudden you don't have to worry about them being sticky or when they get wet ruining the finish. So Mod Podge Ultra is definitely like hands down amazing. It also self-levels, so when you're doing coasters and things like that, you don't have to worry about, spraying it and getting puddles of the product anywhere. And then because you're spraying it, you don't have to worry about brush strokes, which is always something that I didn't like about the regular Mod Podge formula. And then I wanted to see just how strong is this stuff, right? This is glass. So I took glass pieces and just using the Mod Podge Ultra, put them on the inside of this frame around the outside, and it stuck wonderfully. So I'm super impressed with both the strength and as many different projects as I could make with the Mod Podge Ultra. So if you want to learn more, definitely head to the link in the description for this video. Definitely check out the Mod Podge Ultra. So it's on pre-order right now on Amazon. I'll leave a link for that in the description for this video, so head there and look for that. It's on pre-order on Amazon, so you can get it there. You can get it on plaidcrafts.com. I'm sure it's coming to a craft store near you, so be sure to look for it. So, any questions? Leave them in the comment section below. Something else you want me to test it on? Leave that in the comment section below. I love to test things, I really do. If you love this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe on YouTube if you don't want to miss any of the crafty videos. We do stuff like this all the time. Like I said, I love to test things. So thank you all so much for joining me today, and try out Mod Podge Ultra for yourself.